Hey guys, N.J.C here with you with another video. In this video, I'd like to take you through and give you a walkthrough of the Japanese garden and the beach that you can see that I am at. And this beach is accessible through the beautiful Japanese garden, which is situated in Murmugaon here in Vasco da Gama. So watch the video till the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video and share it with those who might like to know a lot more of what they can do and see around in Goa.